Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create typing effects inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, open up CapCut. Now from here I want to create a new project, or I can continue with an old one, but for this demonstration I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to choose downloads, and now I'm going to choose this guy spinning a basketball on his finger. Now I want to add some typing effects on this video. So to do this, what we need to do is click onto text at the bottom of the page here, and then click on add text, and now enter your text here in this field. So I'm going to type in spinning ball like so, and now if I press down, and now we can change the fonts here. So I'm going to choose, for this demonstration, infinity. And now I'm going to make the text a little bit larger. This is a pro feature inside CapCut. If you do want to check out CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below where you can try it out for 7 days free trial. All right, in saying that, I'm going to keep it infinity. And now to make some typing effects here with this text, what I need to do is have a look at animation. So click on animation here, and you can see all these different effects. So you got golden, dust, starlight, got all these different ones that are pro and free as well. So if you don't want to use pro, you can use the free versions, no worries there at all. Same with your fonts as well, so there are free versions here. So we'll go back to animations. Yeah, just pick which animation you would like to use. So if I want to use this fade in, or what else we got here? Got a bounce in. I can use that effect. And also don't get it confused, typing effects, because you got effects here. This isn't typing effects. This is just a bit of, I wouldn't even know what to call this, just art really. You can change that. So if I go back to animations, I wonder if that will change it. No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. So you can go effects, change it to some art if you like as well. So yeah, animations. And if I want to check out a pro feature, it's one of these golden dust. That looks pretty cool. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on the tick button and then export it. But before you export it, make sure the resolution is high. So at the moment it's set at 1080p. I like to keep it at 2K or 4K. And also frame rate, I like to keep that at max. And code rate, keep it at recommended, and then go ahead and click on export.